Dr. Felix Ndukwe, in his decade-spanning practice, has explored and been a positive influence in the Nigerian gospel music industry. His distinctive personal style emanates joy and peace and expresses the vibrant spirit and atmosphere of the Igbo rhythm and culture. Felix remains a household name through his hit songs such as Chinekem Ka, Imitation Prophets, Onyowoma, and over 60 albums that has been a blessing since 1988. In his over 57 years on earth, Felix has never stopped being a blessing to all who come in contact with him. Now, meet Dr. Felix Ndukwe. Sir, you've been scarce in the music scene for some time. What really happened? Did you stop singing, or what exactly?
No, really, I did not stop singing. When I started my career as a musician, I was releasing 3 albums in a month, 2 albums in a month. To an extent, I decided to give myself a break, to rest.
What have you been up to lately?
For now, I have about 8 LPs comprising of 8 tracks in one album, 8 albums in the waiting. Those albums that I have made so far, recorded so far, audio and visual. So those songs, I think it will be a blessing to your souls. And those songs will be available in all digital platforms for your blessing and to the upliftment of your spirit. Because I believe one of the tracks that said, "Thank you, Lord, thank you, Lord, thank you, Lord, thank you, Lord." When you hear that song, you know that something really worth thanking God for.
What should your fans expect?
I expect my fans to see another Dr. Felix Ndukwe in a new dimension, because I have new songs that I sang in Cross River language, Yoruba language, Igbo language, English language. So I expect them to see another Dr. Felix Ndukwe, Uwa N'ile.
Are we expecting a collaboration with any of your colleagues in the industry?
Actually, when I released the Chinekem Ka, Asimgeka, Chinekem Ka, Asimgeka, a lot of people came 1993 to collab with me for a new album. I decided to wait. But this time around, by the time I'll finish collaborating with some of the artists, you will now know that Felix Ndukwe is still on board. I've been putting together this album project for a while, giving it a very good touch through one of the best in town by the name Don't Set Beat.
We heard that you're currently working on a new music project. So what should we expect from the project?
Like I said earlier, this project, one of the track in this my new albums coming out soon, says, "The devil thought I would cry, but God put smile in my mouth. That is why I am having everlasting joy." Oh. I promise you, this project will blow your mind. So I urge you to get ready to download, stream, and buy.